Hello, and welcome to our English 1 tutorial video for Lesson 6.07. Before we begin, let's review your writing prompt for this unit. How have these two authors expressed their relationships with nature? After reading and analyzing Calypso Borealis, an essay by John Muir, and William Wordsworth's poem I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, write an essay in which you describe how each author views nature and answer the question. Support your discussion with evidence from the text. Assignment 6.07 focuses on building the introduction for your Unit 6 essay. Your introduction is composed of 3 parts: the hook, the bridge, and the thesis statement. But there's good news. You already created your thesis statement for this assignment in Lesson 6.06. So this video will focus on developing a hook and developing a bridge, and then combining all 3 elements into a fluid introductory paragraph. The hook is the attention-getting sentence used to engage the reader. Strong hooks are clear, brief, and relevant to the topic. Let's discuss types of hooks we can use in this essay. While Lesson 6.07 presents several other hook opportunities, for the sake of brevity, we're going to discuss the types of hooks which may be most relevant to your writing needs for this essay. Quotation. A saying or quotation that ties into your essay's topic can be thought-provoking for your reader. Example, G.K. Chesterton once said, "Literature is a luxury, fiction is a necessity." Definition. A fresh or unusual way of defining the topic of your essay can cause your reader to keep reading. Do not use dictionary definitions as a hook. Example, literature is a medium by which readers can escape reality without leaving one's seat. Description. A vivid description of some aspect of your essay's topic can get your reader's attention. Appeal to as many of the senses as possible to create a powerful image that will keep them reading. Example, adventure, escapism, true love, all experiences that only literature can offer unanimously. Bold statement. A surprising or shocking statement connected to the topic of your essay causes your readers to keep reading to find out if the statement is true or how it connects to your topic. Example, without literature, the mind is dead. Next, your introduction paragraph has a bridge. A strong bridge is logical because it clearly connects the hook to the thesis statement. So if you have your interesting hook and you have your thesis statement, your strong bridge tells your reader how your hook relates to the thesis statement. Please take a moment to pause this video and gather your thesis statement from Lesson 6.06. You will need this to compose your introductory paragraph. Here is how your introduction should be organized. This is where your incredibly interesting hook will go. Then, you will use this space to connect your hook to your thesis statement. Your thesis statement goes here and is the last thing you include in your introductory paragraph. Remember our thesis statement from the Lesson 6.06 tutorial video? Robert Frost demonstrates his solidarity with nature in stopping by the woods on a snowy evening using vivid imagery and syntax. We will now design a hook and a bridge for this thesis statement. We will begin by designing our hook. Our hook is going to be an interesting quotation that directly connects to our topic. Edgar Allan Poe once mused, "Poetry is the rhythmical creation of beauty in words." We will then create our bridge, which shows how this quotation links to the thesis statement. Poets tend to reveal their relationships and perspectives in their writings. Finally, our thesis statement. Use the thesis statement that you already wrote in Lesson 6.06. Robert Frost demonstrates his solidarity with nature in stopping by the woods on a snowy evening using vivid imagery and syntax. Now we will take all 3 pieces of the introduction and tie them together in one fluid paragraph. Edgar Allan Poe once mused, "Poetry is the rhythmical creation of beauty in words." Poets tend to reveal their relationships and perspectives in their writings. Robert Frost demonstrates his solidarity with nature in stopping by the woods on a snowy evening using vivid imagery and syntax. Now it's your turn. Visit the Student Help website to download the Lesson 6.07 graphic organizer, which is also available in Lesson 6.07 of your course. Complete the graphic organizer and submit your introduction to your teacher. The URL to access the Student Help website is englishonehelpsite.wordpress.com, or you may access it by clicking the link at the top of your teacher's announcements page. Once you're at the Student Help website, click on Unit 6, and then scroll down the page until you reach Lesson 6.07 opening paragraph. Click on 6.07 Effective Introduction Worksheet to download the graphic organizer for this assignment. Thank you so much for viewing our Lesson 6.07 tutorial video.